finally loads. They've moved it. We found the resin after 5-10 minutes of waiting. So this is what you want. Yeah, so get 2.
Three.
Okay, we'll get 3. We're filming, so we're not stealing. Right, what else we need? We're getting the resin in the bag. Hey everyone, just for safety concerns, for this video, we do have the spray paint respirator just to help us with our breathing apparatuses, because it can be quite bad and nasty, the epoxy. So do get yourself one of these and wear one of these. Like that. It's the 3M version. So we've got that. Now from Kmart we've got the resin tool kit. So it comes with some cups, comes with some mixers, it comes with a plastic sheet. So there's that. Now we have the Anko resin, CRAFT resin. It's part A 100 mils, part B 50 mils. So it's a ratio of 50 to 1, 50 to 100. Is that right? 95% liquid epoxy resins, 100% aliphatic anilines. So with this version, we're not 100% sure if it's food grade safe. So don't go making any Now we've got the lighter, and that's so you can get your air bubbles at the end of it after you've done the pouring. Hey guys, so today we'll be using the Anko CRAFT resin from Kmart. It's 100 mils of clear resin and 50 mils hardener. It's got a plastic spatula in there, pair of gloves, some measuring cups, and a set of instructions. But it doesn't say that it's food grade safe, so we don't suggest making any chopping boards or anything to do with food, but a coaster for a mug should be fine. And you're also going to want some drawers, so once you're done with the actual epoxy, you can move them. So you'll probably want to actually do the pouring in one of these, so you can just pick up the whole container and take all your products with you. Of course you have your molds. So they're silicone rubber, they're not hard, they're soft. Just got to be careful of the indents in there. Just make sure they're all cleaned out nice and clean. And that, make sure you have a flat surface that's all level. Maybe get your level out. So we'll be using the level to make sure that the table is actual level, because you want to make sure that when it sets that it's all leveled off, nice and ready to go with your molds. Yep. And say you want to make yourself some jewellery, as in some earrings, or if you want to make yourself some bracelets or necklaces, you might want to get yourself some jewellery basics packets from Kmart as well. So they're fantastic, they're handy and cheap. Then you've got your add-ins. If you want to do clear resin for the coasters, you can put beads in it, you can put rocks in it, you can put shells in it. So there's those. Maybe you want some gold leaf in it. So that's the gold leaf. And then you've got your liquid dyes for colour, if you want to go that way. Or you've got your pearl pigments, if you want to go that way. So that's what the pearl pigments look like. $12 I think for one of these. You need your paddle pop sticks to do the mixing. So you've got those. And this is everything you'll need. You want to come stand in it and go. So first off, we're just going to try and level off the table. I think it goes this way. Look, you're not going to get much more in the middle than that. That's pretty good. One pound pop six. Is all it took. Look, blue for boys, pink for girls. That actually looks quite cool. So I'm going to Google some what I think are good ideas to make a clear epoxy. I think I'm going to go something special. Yeah. And we'll go to images and see what images come up. See, I do like that beach book with the wave there.
Yeah, same.
I do want to try that one day. Tell us in the comments below what type of resins you would like to see.
Are you wearing gloves?
Yeah, I'll be wearing gloves.
Sticky.
So you do get your gloves inside your packet. So make sure you're wearing those. Because like Sienna said, it does get very sticky. And it's also very hard to get off. I don't think we found anything that gets it off straight away. I'm all gloved up. Jeez, it's slippery.
I've got enough
All the colours. Oh no. Well, I'm not using any colours, so you can have mine after I'm done. If you would like. Now, should we share some tips on how to work out how much epoxy we need? Remember how I did that last night? So, you're going to get your mould. And you're going to sit it there. Yep, I can see. That's so cool. And then you're going to get your measuring cup. And see how it's got some numbers on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up to the 100 mils. And then we're going to fill up our container, our mould. We're going to fill up our mould. And we're going to work out the difference in how many mils of water there was. Give me a second, people. So there's your 100 mils of water. Now I'm just going to fill it up. And if you're going to do what I'm doing and put a layer, you want to put a slight layer down there so you can sit your object in the layer and it gets caught on both sides of the resin. And then you want to keep filling until it nearly overflows. And then you can see that we're left with 30 mils of water. So that means we use 70 mils of water. So I reckon your epoxy will need 50 mils of resin and 25 mils of hardener to make 75 mils to fill this mould.
And you should learn nitrogen or
Trying to pick that up and it just collapsed.
epoxy with a free.
Oh yeah. And if you're lucky enough like us, when you go and get all your colours,
I swear I've got a couple of moulds missing. But there's other ones over there.
make sure they're dried out.
Oh, that's what I'm looking for, the one that you've got.
You're only moving up to. We'll be back in 5. So I got these 5 and 10 cent pieces. We're going to try and put them in some resin to make a coaster out of them. Because I do some coin noodling, trying to find my special coins. These are my leftovers. If you want to go watch that video, that's probably up above or down in the link below. Or it could be the next video after this video. Ooh, more money. I'm getting given money. It's because I'm creating resin with her. She's in a good mood.
Oh, when there's this too, shall we use this? close to that. Let's see what I can look at that.
So thanks everybody. Hopefully you got something out of this episode and it's helped you along the way and gets you getting up and making some resin of your own, or hopefully you enjoyed watching us do it. Let me know if you'd like to have a longer version, because I did do a lot of outtakes. It did take a lot of setting up and a lot of boring bits and pieces where we disappeared out of the camera. But if you like this setup, just let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe, it'll help us all out tremendously. It'll get us to unlock live events. It'll be able to get us to get a new URL so we can be found easier, and hopefully get more content out to help more of you guys create more.